Presenting the Lexus 2013 ES 354-door SDN. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, heated seats, wood and leather trimmed steering wheel, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, display audio, premium package, park assist, heated wood and Matador red mica. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.